I'm in the game development program. I'm doing programming, and so for Slow Jam, well, not for Slow Jam, but it's just a nice coincidence. I was working on a group project with 5 other classmates, and so we made. Yeah, Elyot. Was that Elyot?
Yep,
I think
yeah,
that was Elyot. I'm not 100%. Okay, it was Elyot. So Elyot was there. Kyleah is here too. Okay, so yeah, so we've been working on this for about a month. We've been working on it for real for about 2 weeks. So it's a 2.5D side-scrolling game. So it has kind of a little bit of a tutorial built in, giving the instructions, or the controls, I should say. So you can jump. This green thing here is a teleporter. And so you've got button prompts, which are reactive to whether you're using the keyboard or the controller. And then some kind of puzzles here. One thing I didn't have time to do is detach the camera from the player, so it kind of teleports when you teleport, and it looks terrible. But I can do that later. Ooh, we got a bug here. Anyway, so to solve the puzzle, you just use your dash to get into the side teleports. And you can tap your jump button, or you can hold it, and you get variable distance, just like with the dash. So you go up here. You have some different moves. So if you dash and jump immediately after, you do like a short hop. But if you dash for a little while and then jump, then you got kind of a long jump. We don't actually have any real obstacles or anything that you would need them for. So we were going to add combat and some other things, but we kind of had a bit of a shortage of manpower and kind of ran out of time. But yeah, so oops, that was bad. So you go through here, then you dash, and you can get up to there. And so we got 4 different levels. The first 2 were done by Mark Taylor. I'm not sure if he's here right now or not. So the second level here is supposed to be some kind of temple. This teleporter is not useful at all, but I just thought it would be fun to go in circles. Anyway, so you can move pretty quickly by combining your dashes, and if you want to be zippy, you can be pretty zippy. Yeah, so you kind of move through here. Originally it was supposed to be kind of one cohesive world, but just for time constraints and the artists were kind of working separately, so it's kind of split into 4 different environments. You can see in the background there's some different places which we will visit momentarily. So this is a little bit of a teleporter puzzle, which doesn't work very well because the camera is not zooming out so you can actually plan, plus it kind of jerkily kind of flips to another one, or like when you teleport it doesn't smoothly move. So anyway, that's something to be improved upon. And we have this castle level. This one was done by Elyot. He did all the assets, and he did also the robot samurai that's fighting in the background. Sorry that they're out of focus, Elyot. I put one in the foreground here, so that's what he looks like. And then we were going to have a boss fight, but we didn't have time to implement it, so Kyleah made this kind of entrance area, and then she also made the boss. I gave him a little bit of dialogue. Oh, there's supposed to be a grappling hook, but I didn't implement that, so instead you can just point and mock the boss, because he's also helpless. And that's our project.